The run tracking on the Garmin Forerunner 935 is excellent. It's really hard to actually fault it, as it does everything you want it to do and more. For most of us, the main thing you want is just something that can show you the data you want, and there's very little here that the 935 couldn't pump out. Even if you're a fairly elite level runner, you'll see some functionality in here that you'll think is a bit above your station. You can customize loads of screens, which you can cycle through with the up and down arrows easily, and see everything from pace, to time, to monitoring which foot is more dominant, with the chest strap or optional footbod, to the time the sun is going to come up. You can also set interval sessions from the watch itself, or create a dedicated workout in the Garmin Connect app on your phone and have it sent to the watch. This is a really neat feature, as it means you can create structured training sessions. Say, you want to do an interval session of longer and longer sections with rests in between over 10 miles at varying paces, and then just start them on the watch and let it be your coach. When you're putting in high effort, the thought of "am I running fast enough?" isn't one you want, and this watch will bleep to let you know if you're above or below the pace. It can do the same with heart rate as well, which is really useful if you're looking to train smarter, and trusting in the wrist-based HRM makes it a cinch to just tap a few buttons and go. We've used the Forerunner 935 in a number of races, including multiple marathons, and it's generally one of the more accurate over long distances. Like most watches, it'll get a bit thrown out by high buildings or trees, but over the run we found it to be one of the more accurate options. Our model did recently suffer a fatal freeze in the middle of a marathon, which was upsetting, but that was after many months of use and is quite anomalous according to a web search. There's a fairly robust buzz from this watch as well, which means if you're looking to get an update on how fast you're running each mile or kilometer, the alerts are easy to feel, which isn't always the case, as some watch manufacturers make the vibration engine smaller to make the device more compact.